Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your name on Xbox. Changing your name on Xbox means you will be changing your Xbox Gamers tag. To do so, first of all open a web browser on your device. In the URL box type in xbox.com and search. You'll end up in the official site for Xbox. From the home page, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, go to the bottom and click on the My Account button. This will now take you to your profile. Click on the pencil button right next to your current Gamers tag at the top and then select a new Gamers tag and type it down in the custom box at the bottom. You can also randomize the Gamers tag by tapping the Randomize button. It'll show you a new Gamers tag you can use. After you find the one that you like, click on Next. Now, this is how your gamer tag will look like. Finally, click on Change Gamer Tag. Remember that your first gamer tag change after you create an account on Xbox will be free. After you tap the Change Gamer Tag button, wait for a few seconds, and then your new gamer tag is uploaded. Refresh your profile picture once or twice so that the effect can take place. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.